Okay, we've talked about the best inside water. Okay, now we're going to talk about the best outside water. Because if not, it's sort of like the cat chasing its tail. Okay, we're drinking the best water, but showering in some of the worst water. You know, water has chlorine in it. The problem with chlorine is that it doesn't know the difference between good bacteria and bad bacteria. It kills them both. In an EPA study, they showed that you are more likely, 98% more chance to get cancer from ingesting or having chlorine. Guys, when the water comes through, this is a vitamin C filter inside here. It gives me vitamin C in a gel that's encapsulated. It's got technology behind it. Can't just take vitamin C, crush it up, put it in here because it wouldn't stay fresh. But because it's encapsulated with technology, it now picks up this as the water comes through. It picks up this gel that has vitamin C in it, and it takes all the chlorine out of the water and gives me vitamin C for the skin. You absorb water through the skin 6 times faster than you do through the stomach, so obviously it's real important to have the right kind of water outside. If not, you're drinking the right kind of water to bathe in the wrong kind of water. To drink the right kind of water, to bathe in the wrong kind of water. You need both. You need good inside and good outside water. This also has another aspect with a patented plate. There's little triangles here, in here, not little round holes, but little triangles that you call it polygons, that cut the water into 1,000 pieces with the vitamin C so that it can be absorbed quicker. And basically it has negative ions. What are negative ions? Negative ions are like when you go to the beach or a waterfall or the rainforest, and how the refreshing feeling. You know, when you sit in front of a computer all day, it's draining. You start to feel drained. That's positive ion environment. This is negative, the reverse, so refreshing. Helps the bathtub stay fresh, you know, as you use this shower. And the smell is tremendous. It's really aromatherapy. You have it in 4 different scents. Unscented, let me just pull these over here. Unscented, this is lavender, this is eucalyptus, and this is the citrus that it comes with. So I can get any of these scents available, okay? So not only does it feel good, better hair, better skin, ladies, better nails. It will affect your body in just the first shower. You can feel it. We've had people that got rid of migraine headache with this because of the vitamin C and the absorption of the water through the skin. It absorbs 6 times faster through the skin than through the stomach, and you have no filter system like you do through the stomach. With the kidneys and the liver, you have nothing for the skin. It's just the largest organ. It just accepts everything. So we're just going to do a real quick test here. I'm going to take some chlorine drops, and this is the tap water, like I said. Virtually any tap water has to have it because they have to kill bacteria in the water, or else we get a cholera epidemic. So chlorine has to be in the water. It's not a bad thing, it just has to be there. But, like I said, if you had a choice where you didn't have to bathe in it, it would be something good for you and your family to have, okay? So, we're going to see if this turns yellow. It has chlorine, and it should. That's what municipal water is supposed to have. So, this has chlorine, guys. There's no doubt about it. But we're going to take a little bit of this solution. This is the powder, a little powder in this, that this vitamin C gel filter is made of. So we're just going to put a little bit in here. As you can see, you can just see the mist there of the powder that I put in there. What I'm going to do is show you what happens whenever this water comes through, and it comes through here, it picks up the gel. If you have a carbon filter on your shower, guys, it'll pick it up cold. I just don't know too many people taking cold showers. Because when it turns hot, the vapor comes through the carbon filter and you absorb it through the lungs. But with this antioxidant vitamin C gel, when it comes through, it dissipates the chlorine on contact as it swirls through. Thereby, I bathe in clean water with no chlorine. It will affect your life because you're not used to bathing with no chlorine. You can now with the negative ions, and that's what we're about. Good inside and outside water at Dream Tree.